If you want to have clean balls and clubs on the golf course, then this is all you need. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So this is the club scrub, and I actually picked this up because I've had one before, really liked it. You might say, well, that's enough reason to pick it up. But I was tempted by another device I saw that was like a ball cleaner. It was kind of this big thing, and I was like, oh, that makes a lot of sense, clean the balls. But then I was like, it's bigger than this, it's bulkier than this, it's more expensive than this, and this will clean my golf balls and my golf clubs. So wanted to show this to you because this is a brand new one. I picked it up. It has this digital camo look on it, pretty cool. It says club scrub right up here. We have a detachable little buckle right here, kind of your standard like backpack belt buckle. And then we have this little nylon strap here and this clip, so you can clip it onto your bag, but then you don't have to worry about fussing with this clip. You can just pull this off when you need it. But this will allow you to attach it to your bag and let it hang there. But what I love about this is it's not super big, about the size of my medium-sized hand here, but it has a lot of space in here. So I can take a golf ball and throw it in here. You just pour some water in here, so before your game, you know, your water bottle, hose, whatever, throw some water in here. This inner lining gets wet, and the best thing about this is that it has some like plastic bristles. It feels a lot like a Brillo pad that you might keep at your kitchen sink for cleaning dishes and silverware and stuff like that. So it's not sharp, it doesn't hurt or anything, but they're basically like little plastic loops, almost like soft Velcro. That's kind of what it feels like. But then we have, I don't know if it's terry cloth underneath there, but some sort of fabric, and so you won't need this. You definitely don't want the silica in there. But then you just get this all wet, and then it's out of the sun, and it will stay wet, and you can throw your golf ball in there and then just kind of clean it like this from the outside, or you can grab your golf club. Let's say your wedge gets all dirty, usually does, right? So you can just take that and put that in here. Look how much space there is, right? If I put this in here, it's not tight at all, right? I mean, I could probably get a driver in here, but you put your golf club in here and then just work it with your hands, get those grooves nice and clean so you get that spin, that trajectory, that nice stopping action from the grooves right there. So that's how you can clean this up. And the beautiful thing about this, and I hadn't thought about this before, is that I used to just wet my towel and then use my wet towel to clean that off, you know, the golf towel that hangs there. But as you drive around in your golf cart, as the sun beats down on the towel, invariably I found by the third, fourth hole on some warm days, the towel is completely dry. Can you believe that? But when you put this in here, because it's kind of sealed up, you don't get as much air circulation in there, and because it is protected from the sun, this doesn't dry out. At the end of the day, this is nice and moist, cleaning those golf balls all the way through all 18, 36 holes, whatever you want to play. And then the beautiful thing about this is you can just turn it inside out like this, run it under water, run it through the hose. You could probably throw it in your washing machine if you really wanted to, but I don't care if it's perfectly clean every time I go out. I just want to get the big stuff, the mud off of here. So, you know, just run it under some water, pretty clean, and then I just leave it like this until the next time I go out, and I turn it back inside like this, wet it up, and go out. And then I always make sure that I have nice clean balls. You always want to make sure that your balls are clean on the golf course, and your clubs, your wedges, your irons, anything that you need. Everything that you carry on the golf course will be nice and shiny thanks to the club scrub. So if you want to pick up the club scrub so that your balls are clean, your clubs are clean, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than